And minimizing. See, Windows key or CMD. I'm in, see the here. I hope this one you know. I'm in which folder? Maybe helm folder. In front of you, I may do it. CD dot one step back. Today I'm using helm. In the first one, kubectl. Kubectl get, you may check it in your system, are able to getting maybe single node control plane. Single node control plane. There I'm using CLS. There helm create. Helm create. Today I'm using a new name. Maybe DevOps. Just it is created one chart. That is the helm chart because of we use the word helm. There CD DevOps. If you go for a tree slash f, you may able to see the directory structure. This is the helm chart structure. Majority of the people, majority of the companies, we are going to work with only this area. This is the standard process. Here and there, you can touch other areas also. Maybe slowly you can touch. Chart.yml and also values.yml. Chart.yml and also values.yml. Suppose you may enter into chart.yml. What it may having. You know how can I see it? Notepad, notepad, chart.yml. See what chart.yml file contain. Very simple answer. Metadata. In interview, what is your answer? Chart.yml contain metadata. What does it mean? Data about data. Which data about data? What is our chart name? Quick response. What is our chart name? DevOps. Ganesh. Because of there I created Helm create DevOps, right? Helm create DevOps. See, what is the name of the chart? That means chart information here is available. What is the name of the API version? V2. Like that.
Sir, your voice is not getting shown.
Not getting? Hello? Okay, wait a minute. Wait a minute. Now, Ganesh, just a second. Oh, sorry, they are muted. Now, is it audible?
Yes, sir, it's audible, sir.
Good, good. Good evening, ma. See,
What else?
again, I'm closing and reopening for your sake. See, I am in my command prompt CLI. There just now I created one chart. How I created? Help create DevOps. This is the chart name. The name is your wish. But industry standard, what it will say? According to your maybe deployment, you may give the name. Anyway, today I given the word DevOps. See, just I entered into DevOps by using cd command, change it to directory. There, what I said, tree slash f I provided. We are going to talk about just chart.yml. What I said, chart.yml, what does it contain? This is the question for you in interview. What is your answer? Chart.yml should contain a metadata. A metadata. What is metadata? Anyone can try to answer it? What is metadata? What is metadata? Data about data is known as metadata. What is the answer, ma? Data about data is known as metadata. Now, notepad, chart.yml. See, what are the metadata things here we are having? Say, I said, what is our chart name? There I created DevOps. See, this metadata also having that name of the chart. What is the name of the chart? DevOps. What is the name of the version for that chart? V2. What is the description? A Helm chart for? We created one Helm chart. For which purpose? Helm is the package manager for KTS. I hope we listened right. You understood right? Helm is the package manager for KTS Kubernetes. Now, see here, which type of we are going to create? We are going to create one application. This is the application. We are going to deploy one application. Which application? That is your wish. That may be Nginx, that may be Node.js, that may be Python, that may be some other. According to industry standard, whatever the application, if you want it, you can deploy it. That is your wish. See, this is the application version. This is the chart version. This is the chart version. See, versions are expected to follow semantic versions. Semantic versions. That is the grammar representation. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are the 6 attributes, 6 characteristics. Who is having chart.yml? Chart.yml contain metadata. What are the metadata? Maybe chart name, maybe chart version, maybe type of chart. Got it or not? App version and also API version. Any difficulty according to chart.yml? In future, we may use chart related information. Whenever if enter into helm objects, there only we can use helm objects. And also one term is that helm dependency. Try to remember helm dependency. There also we can use chart related information. Today we are not, there is no use. Only we are understanding one file is there, just file what it contains. So file contain which information, metadata information. Is it clear for you? If it is clear, I may move on to next step.
Yes, sir.
Close this. Good. Now, after that, see CD templates. Already yesterday we discussed what templates should contain. Templates folder should contain Helm templates, Helm templating files. What are the templating files? Again, tree or maybe dir. See, these are all YML files. But I'm not calling manifest files, I'm calling templating files. I think yesterday we discussed what is the difference between template file and manifest file. Template file contain dynamic form. Manifest file contain static form. Are you agree with me?
Yes, sir.
Dynamic form means template file contain which template? Jinja template. How can I know Jinja template? Within that double curly brace, closing with double curly brace. Everybody, have you seen that double curly brace? Are you agree with me?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Maybe at least we may see one file. Again, you may get the clarity. Which file shall I open? Your wish, tell me. Which file shall I open? .yml files only. .yml files. Any one file. That is our wish. Maybe many people have seen service account. Maybe in my, where we discussed about service account, no, Monica? Somewhere we discussed it, right?
Yes, sir. R back.
What is the purpose of RBAC we use it? How much remembering you are having? I am checking. That's all. Nothing is there.
Yeah, we can give access based on roles.
Vesra?
Roles.
Okay, that is good. I am expecting some more. Maybe that is also, you said maybe 35% answer. I am expecting 98% answer. That is valid for interview. Okay, good. At least some people may sit silent. Like that, you are not sitting. That is good. Your answer is okay, but not excellent. By using RBAC, who can do what? That answer I am expecting. Who can do what? Who can do what? Finally, we are giving permissions only. Finally, we are setting policies only. But the main RBAC purpose is what, ma? Who can do what? You know, those 5 words: role, cluster role binding, cluster role binding. At the end, service account. See, in front of you, just I'm opening notepad, service account .yml. See, there also you have seen API version V1 only, kindly service account only. See, here and there, double curly brace is there. You need to check that one only. Remaining things, leave it. What it is having, why it is having, we'll discuss slowly. We'll discuss slowly. Guna, good evening. Guna, I am audible. Okay, let's move on. Now there see kindly service account. What I am trying to explain, Do you have seen double curly brace open with, double curly brace end with? This is nothing but Jinja template form. Jinja template form. Here in this templating file, somewhere we may enter something that values.yml file, those data here automatically that may map to here. See, this one and that one will map. How it will map? I am showing. See, I am closing this. Now this is the template. Now just I'm closing this one also within notepads, right? Good. One step back, cd dot dot, there notepad values dot file. As a learner, you need to think about this one only, at least for 1 week. See, yesterday I used one image in front of you. What is the image name? Quick response. There, according to Java based, according to Java based, I want to change once again. There, which one I use? Pati, Docker, Java, Web App, colon 38 I said. Are you agree with me? Pati
Yes.
Docker, Java Web App 38. But what I said, you are not having the right to specify tag here. You need to specify like this. Tag separate area is there I am specifying 38. What next? According to Java, if you want to create Java deployment, if you want to create Java based service, you must specify which codes, ma? Yesterday we discussed two codes.
Container port and target.
Container target code. Now see, container code, colon, what is that?
808.
8080. Next, TAR, target, PORT code, colon, 8080. You may ask why they didn't give here. See, 98% they are giving default. As a Helm developer, at least their intention. You may not know 2%, you may not learn 2% their intention. We can learn, right? See, 98% content already there. You are going to change it. But 2% content you need to customize. Customization means we are going to add according to our wish container, port, and target port. Is it okay for you? And also, what is the type I want to specify? But I want to expose, right? That's why I'm going to use which one, ma? Load balance. Till now, everybody clear or not? Tell me. There I did 5 modifications. What are the 5? Anyone can quick response. One is the observe here
Image.
image. That is the repository. See, image repository. According to Helmholtz, ma, try to remember. Image is okay. That is the repository name. According to Docker, we are going to call image only. But according to Helm, that is the image repository name. Repository name. And also image tag. Both we know. Both we know somewhere we discuss. Now and also service type. Is it okay for you? This is the service followed by type. Type is load balancer. Even if you do spelling mistake also, somewhere you may identify. No problem. But don't do spelling mistakes. Okay. This is service port, this is the container port, this is the target port. Now I am asking you, yesterday those who attended, tell me, where shall I go and change these values? Where shall I go and change these values? First, I am going to close this. Close this means it may ask, do you want to save? Yes. Now guide me. What to do? Where I need to enter. These values, where it will reflect, at least tell me the answer, anyone? These values.yml contain where it may reflect. Very simple answer. Where it may reflect. Please observe and tell me where it may reflect within the
Template files.
templates files. Good. That's why I need to enter into CD templates. Now they are modified in two areas: deployment related area and service related area. I touched only two areas, ma. That's why Notepad deployment. Now here I need to do little things. What are those little things? Just observe and tell me. Where I need to touch here? Observe, observe, observe. See, there we written container port. See, check it here. Are you able to see container port? Anyone tell me? Suppose if I don't mention anything here, final output, what it will be here, ma? At least others read carefully and try to respond. Suppose if I run this, if I create a manifest file, what is the output you may get here at least according to existing scenario? Maybe if I here itself, if I do like this, if I create helm, what is that? Manifest helm template. If I create it, it may give one manifest file. In that manifest, what is the output I may see? I'm just guess it and tell. What is the port in our values.yml? Anyone can tell me other than
80.
Monica? 80. What is the final result here? Container port is 80. For Java based container port 80, yes or no? Others tell me. For Java applications, what is the container port? Ganesh, for
Sir,
Java application, what for Java based applications, what is the container port? Is it
808.
80? 8080. See, if I want to get 8080, what is the little modification? Please respond. Please respond. Anyone? In in values.yml, I written what I written. Anyone can repeat it? What I written? One is the container port, another one is the target port. In that values.yml, I written container port. That container port I want to use here. What shall I write here? Dot values dot please
Service
service
dot content.
dot dot container port. Check the spelling. If any missing is there, it won't reflect. Then again we'll go and modify. See, are you understanding or not? First 1 week I may go like this, ma. If you understand these things clearly, remaining things are very simple, very, very silly also. Is it okay for you? Container port. See, container port is the option which is available in deployment. Now, other than Monica, target port is there. Target port is the option which belongs to which deployment file, ma? Which file? Which YML file? If you know the basics of Kubernetes, you can easily tell the answer. Target port is the option which belongs to which YML file? Target port. Here check it. Are you able to see anywhere target port? At least are you able to see anywhere target port option? Others? See, for your clarity, I am opening in front of you Kubernetes document. There, Kubernetes document, K8s document, K8s document. If you don't know the basics, very complex to explain these Helm concepts because of Helm background, total background, K8s manifest files only. There, maybe I'm clicking create Kubernetes cluster. I don't want. I want documentation only, right? Where is that? This documentation. Here, there I'm searching for service. Service. There, service. There, which is service? See, are you able to see at least others? Again, other than Monica. Why I'm telling other than Monica? Because of multiple times she answered. That's why I'm excluding. Are you able to see the word target port, Ganesh?
Yes, sir.
That means target port is the property belongs to which YML file? At least respond finally. Which YML file? Are you able to see here?
Service.yml.
service.yml. Container port is the property belongs to which YML file? Hello, others. Container port is the option. Again, you want it. I am expecting. You are expecting from me only. See, deployment. Deployment.
Deployment.
Without doing all these things, again, I am telling very complex to implement those concepts. Very easy to learn, very easy to understand. See, what is this here? Container. If you don't know the variance, oh, which property belongs to which YML, how can you know? How can you learn Helm? Helm is very simple, but you must remember these woods where it is there, where it will, maybe you know the where it will sync, where it will map. I hope at least from hereafter you can easily tell, right? Because of throughout the Helm, maybe I may take nearly 10 to 12 days Helm concepts. These 10 to 12 days, we may discuss about mainly these things only: service port, container port, target port, image name, those things only. Remaining automatically everything by default only. Even replica count, this only we will use. Shall I move on to where should I move? Ganesh, tell me which one shall I open? Notepad, service, service.yml. Hmm. Now, anyone can guide me other than Monica. Here I need to do little change. Where can I do the little change? Quick response. If you give the answer, then only I can implement. Or else I may also sit calmly. Yesterday also we did this one.
Need to add container.
See, there container port we have seen. Here what it is.
Target port.
Hmm. What to write here? Now guide me.
Dot
Very
value.
double curly brace,
Dot
space,
value.
dot, values, good,
Target port.
service, dot,
Service dot target port.
target. All of you are understanding or not? Please respond. Clear, I hope, right? Good. I am closing. Close. Now, once again, I am in the deployment. Yes, it is the deployment only, right? See, image tag, somewhere image tag you have seen yesterday. Image tag you have seen yesterday. Check it. The image. Yesterday also, did I remove this one? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Why removed in future classes? You may understand, ma? Because of there I specified. Manual is specified. If you don't specify, that is good. If you specify, you should remove. Is it okay for you others? You may ask me. Strictly, if you ask me, you try, you specify and run it. Yes, I can do it, but today, not good. That is not good. We'll do it that also. But anyway, see here what it is. Our image repository is nothing but Pati Docker / Java Web App. This is the tag version is, what is the tag version there I took? 3.8. I'll show you in my hub.docker.com. I hope everything is fine. I hope everything is fine. Now click on yes. First I'll quickly show you where it is that it is. Take the new tab, hub.docker.com. Now yesterday I have seen multiple times. Even I am not able to show you, but what happened in the sense I am telling to you in front of. See, there also I may not able to see even today also in front of you. There are able to see same name. Maybe see, I am going at the end. See, I am in page one ma. Here I am having multiple images. That is the problem for me. Now see it. Page number two. I am in maybe page number two. Now I am in page number 2 or 26. Which one ma that is? 26 to 50, right? There I need to type here. Pati Dakar. Pati Dakar Java Web APP. Let me check it. You're not able to see. Again, one step back. One step back. My intention, I want to move to second page, but I moved to 26th, I hope. My hub only. There, Pati Dakar only I want to see. Pati Dakar. Want to. Where it is. Repositories only, right? Somewhere Java Web App. Java Web App. Need to move to what happens. Wait. What ma?
Yeah, in this page it is there, sir.
There,
Come.
yeah,
Yeah.
Java web app we need to see. I want to see that one only. Where is this? Not this one. Yeah,
Yeah.
this one. This one. Please observe Java web app is visible. Click on here. Now, whenever, if you search for an image that is good, you must search for a tags also. Tags also. Why I'm showing in this clarity in the sense, again you may face difficulty in real time. Maybe your boss may ask you which tag because of my brother facing same issue every week. They may tell one tag, here they may not have. Maybe without tag, without knowing tag, they may give me. Suppose here 30, 80, maybe I provided 39 are there. Ma. Suppose if I mention 40, it may work or not. Quick response.
Yes.
My brother may do like that. Maybe their Monica is there. There also Monica ma, their head ma. She will tell. Again, Ramana, what you did. Okay, sorry, Monica. Again, he may do something. His package is 14 lakhs. Okay, people are doing like that. That's what I am telling. Don't do such activities. Carefully observe it. If it is there, you may mention it. Now, according to our scenario, everything fine, right? Is it okay for you? Good. Now move on to here. My brother is working only on helm. That's why I know every day he is facing some problems. I am also, because of he may take on call, he may ask me some doubts. Based on that, I am observing every week at least. Now, what to do? I said, right, help. I am not installing my. First, I am checking our configuration is perfect or not. Yesterday, I said, right, how can I know the configuration is perfect or not? Those who listen my class 2, they may understand very well. Helm 2, yesterday I provided recording. Helm, what is that? Helm template. Helm template, then dot. What happened, ma? One step back, right? Yes, Helm template dot. See, if you use the Helm template keyword, it will it will grab details from template. It will create a manifest file. What it is created, what was it is, everybody? It is the manifest file. .yml files. See, triple hyphens are there. Are you able to see triple hyphens for each file? Are you able to see? They are not giving closing triple dots, but you can able to see starting with 3 hyphens. Is it okay for you? All the files related to this. Now, what will you check it? We did 2 to 3 modifications, ma. Those you need to check. How can we check? There somewhere deployment is there. Check for deployment. Where is the deployment? Service account, this one. This is the deployment. Replicas, one is there. And image observe, ma. Image. Pati Docker, Java, web app, colon 38. This line is correct, right? We are cross verifying. Is it correct or not? Next, what you need to cross verify, Monica?
Container port.
Next, what you need to cross verify? One more thing.
In services.
Services. You need to check
Target
where it
port.
is their services. Maybe at beginning, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now target port. This is what about service port. This is the target port. This is service
Fine.
type. What is the service type? Load balancer. LANCER. See, without knowing basics of K8S, maybe K8S resources, how can you learn Helm? Helm is very simple. Helm is very easy. When these basics are, if you know. Till now clear? Shall I shall I install the chart? Shall I install the chart? See, I can do, maybe people are doing like this also, but this is not the good idea, but we can do it. Greater than, greater than, maybe manifest. MANIFEST. Manifest dot YAML. Manifest dot YAML. See, if you observe dir, you can able to see the word manifest dot YAML. Are you able to see? How can you deploy this kubectl? kubectl apply -f their manifest. Is it clear for you? Everybody should know at least this format, right? Ganesh, what we are doing by using kubectl apply, at least respond.
Definition.
We are deploying. What we are deploying? Only one deployment or only one service? No. So many things are there. Within one YML file, service account is there, HPA is there, like that multiple things are able to, have you seen, right? Yes or no? But I am deploying for you. See, service account is deployed, service is deployed, deployment is deployed, even pod are able to see the pod. Now you want to test it. This is not the way, but this is also possibility. This is also possible. This is the manual approach. This is the manual approach. Helm is converted into manifest file. That manifest file, we can check it. I am cross verifying because of here. We have seen multiple times. This is the right approach. When application is not working properly, Helm not installed properly, Helm is not working properly. Now, how can I test it, ma? Quick response. By using which verification I want to test it. And now I am expecting from you. They are ask you. Maybe assume I am your manager. I may ask you, hey Ganesh, you deployed, okay, good. How can I check it? How can I check it? How can I test it? On the browser, which one, if I enter on the browser, please, anyone? What is the statement? What is the command you need to apply here? kubectl, get get svc first. See, release, name, DevOps. See, here pending is there. Leave about that. Generally, we need to get which one? Localhost, right? Because of other applications are running in my kubectl get ns namespaces. See, there I am working with Argo CD, those things, maybe I may delete it. Then only we can get which one? Localhost. There kubectl delete ns argo argo cd. Any spelling mistake? delete. Delete. No any other new things. Hemant also I need to delete. Because of entire total cluster, one time only it will give localhost. If you go for pro version for Docker, you may get multiple load balancers. For pro version, per month we need to pay $5. For learning Helm, no need to go for that one. Argo CD, maybe multiple files are there. That's why it is taking little time. Argo, once you learn Helm properly, Argo CD is very simple, because of even last week Maybe today also Markonda did one interview. Maybe last week we did two interviews. All are asking, do you know RGCD? That's what for your batch. I'll teach at least for 1 week Argo CD. He's trying to delete. Meanwhile, try to complete up to this. Maybe it may take 3 to 4 minutes. If any difficulty, try to ask me. I'll show you the output. We need to get local host here. Then only there is the valid format. Monica, have you completed yesterday task? There, I pasted on WhatsApp also. Final output. I hope no.
Yes.
It is taking more time. I may go for Control C. Once again, I might implement the kubectl get ns. Again, Argo cd is there. Okay, terminating. Good. In the same way, kubectl delete -n. Delete namespace only, right? Shall I give -n or not yet? What I provided. There, kubectl delete ns. What is the name? Haman. HEMANPH. And also, what happened, ma? I think again E missing. Their cube system okay, cube public okay, cube node lease okay, and even demo app also I need to demo app. Okay, kubectl get ns, again it is terminating. Okay, we'll check. Now what I may do, kubectl delete all all.
Just spelling.
Again spelling DELE. Good. See, so many things are there that occupies one resource occupies local host. That was the problem. No worries. See, after getting problem only we may realize without problem our feeling is everything is perfect. See, every task I may do in front of you without fear. Why? They are future real-time professionals. You must face so many hurdles at the time of implementation. How to manage, you may learn clearly. See, if you prepare already in front of you, if I go with step by step, your feeling is what? Oh, it is very simple. No, real time is little bit complex. Why? Here and there, we don't know what happening. We may rectify, we may manage the things. Now, once again, they are right. Which file I want to deploy? Maybe already, which file is there? Manifest.yml is there, right? kubectl, apply, -f, manifest. MANI. Now see. Now, how to cross verify? Is it working properly or not? kubectl get SVC only the source. Now, at least you feel good, right? See, external IP, local host. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Even though you may see local host, application may not work 90% times. What is the next cross verification, Monica? Get, at least I may
Endpoint.
give clue, endpoints. Endpoints. PYNTS. Now see, oh, endpoint is perfect here. Now if endpoint is there, 99.9% application will work. If endpoint is not there, it won't work. Okay, till now clear? Good. Now what to do? Quick response. We have seen localhost, going to browser, take new tab, localhost. If you are the normal person, our feeling is what? That they given localhost only. Okay, I'm entering localhost. Okay. Wherever, whenever, knowingly, unknowingly, oh, you are getting Tomcat. What you need to think? Oh, our application, our image belongs to, what you, anyone tell me? Our image belongs to Java base. Our image belongs to Java base. See, if any Java based application that must contain context path, what I am telling ma context path. At the time of, even I may show you in front of your context path how to get it. Localhost, there slash Java. What is the name of the image? Java Web API. Everybody, is it okay for you? From hereafter, my intention is I want to show you how to see the context path. Shall we go for that? All
Yes.
of you, till now clear or not? What Ganesh?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Good. Now, even if you want to see it, Windows key, there Ubuntu, UBUN, there Ubuntu, I am opening. If possible, try to open. There you need to check Maven is there or not. Maven tool is there or not. See, sudo hyphen I, sudo hyphen I, there Loki, good, CLE, clear. Now MVN hyphen version. Till now there is no Maven, right? What I need to do? apt install Maven space hyphen y. The good practice is you need to update. But without updating, I am giving because of day one, I updated. My Maven classes completed for us. Even I only took the classes, right? Everybody, is it okay for you?
Yes.
Good. Now, Monica, I want to create one web application, maybe Java Web App. Guide me what to do here. First, we need to check Java is installed or not. How can I check ma? Java
Hyphen
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 version.
version. It is taking 21, but sometimes our application may expect 17. Don't worry. Based on the error, we can manage the thing. We may think like real time. Maybe our boss is given laptop, they send us, okay, we are doing activities. We may get some problems how to manage. Now, MBN, archetype colon, GENV, RAT, generate. It is downloading from central. See, if concept demanding, if I teach you, your brain will properly remember. If you are in Maven concept, your feeling is, oh, tool is Maven. Okay. He is telling we are learning. No, we are in hell. Maybe our intention is we need to know the word context for how it will be, where it will be. That we are learning here. Now, what to do? Quick response. I want to develop which application? Java based web application. Those who perfectly finished my 3 sessions, Maven, they may can only tell the answer.
Plus, plus,
What I need to add, Ganesh?
plus 5.
Plus 5. 2 to 5, 6 plus
Six
5,
one.
6 1. Good. Enter. What next? Press enter. Now group ID. What is that? What is the meaning of group ID? Company name, company name, com dot alt or com dot alt. Artifact ID, project name,
Project.
project name, Java hyphen web hyphen Java web. Snapshot, leave it. That is the regular build. Package, leave it. Company name and package, both are same. Now you need to give. Right. Till now clear. Will succeed. See, if I want to apply any Maven lifecycle goals, where I should be available, please respond. See, here if I apply MVN, please tell me one lifecycle goal, any one goal, your wish mark. We use nearly 6 goals. Yes or no?
Compile.
Compile, good. MVN, compile, compile, compile. See, knowingly, unknowingly, even though 10 plus years professional, they may do like this. At least for after half an hour, he may realize, oh, silly error we did, silly problem is created. Are you in the project?
Yes.
Project is created. You are not in the project, but you are applying. Go. Are you agree with me? What to do? Ganesh, please respond. What is our project name? If you don't know, try to apply ls-ltr. You may see CD Java Web API. Now MVN or no need to go. You want to see the context path, right? Now see ls hyphen or apply tree command. Tree. See that the context path related details where it may be available. Anyone can guess it and which area you may able to see. Guess at least whether you know it or not. Guess it at least. Some resources only there, right? Web.xml is there. Index.jsp is there. At least, boys, tell me what is JSP stands for. At least I'm expecting from you. These are the mandatory things. Slowly, you must remember all these words. Otherwise, they may not select you. Nowadays, developers are doing DevOps activities. That's why they're what about mixing or clubbing? We can say DevSecOps. Dev means developer activities, sec means security activities, and operations activities. Only one person. Who is that person? Developer. Companies are expecting what is the use of your services. You may do only operations activities. They are giving training like that. That's why, as a DevOps engineer, you must learn minimum developer activities also. Okay, good. At least I'm expecting guess which file maybe. See, very simple answer. Whatever it is available within the form.xml, 90% answers you may get it from form.xml. Monica, form stands for hello.
Yes, sir.
POM
Project.
stands for project
Object model.
object model. See, entire project related information. See, this is the model for project. That is very simple. This is the model for project. Now, you may go with VI, VI, or maybe cat. You may use cat, form.xml, form.xml. Here, you may able to see here, there, what is that? Where is that? Artifact ID. See, somewhere final name. This is the entire question mark. How can I know the context path? By using which tag? Final name tag. Wherever final name tag is there, that is surrounded, wherever surrounded, that is the context path. Now we can usually recognize our image name as well as context path name 99.9% times are correct. But what I may do, but sometimes industry people, what they may do, they may do like this. How can they do? I'll show you. Now, VI form.xml, but this is not the standard, but I'm changing because of some projects we face such problem. There I'm giving insert, I may give dev apps. What is the context path now? Not the project name. That is about dev apps. Escape, shift colon X. Now, MVN package. We may check. It may create a package or not. Now again tree, you may see the name is Java web app.var. Are you able to identify the context path? Anyone can observe and tell me. Are you able to recognize here directly after getting this target? See, company people will provide, you can able to get it, this var file. Based on this var file, you are going to create Docker image. Are you agree with me? Somewhere we discussed those concepts also. Yes or no? With the help of this var file, what we are going to do? We are going to create Docker image with the help of Docker file. Are you agree with me? I'm not touching that concept. See, everything is fine. Do you know the context path here? General feeling is what? Up to this, whatever it is there, this is the context path in general. But in my context, DevOps is the context path. Suppose if I deploy this one in Tomcat, in my system, Tomcat is not there, ma? Don't worry. Suppose Tomcat is not there. I may check for Tomcat RPM. I can AQ Tomcat. No, Tomcat is not there, ma? Don't worry. Tomcat is not installed. Maybe RPM is not working. Maybe I may add RPM. So this is Ubuntu, right? Again, RPM may not work. Anyway, we'll try it. This ask. See, if you deploy this application, what is the final? You need to give context path, DevOps, then only it will work. What I am trying to say, are you understanding or not? RPM, hyphen AQ, what I am trying to get. Okay. See, because of this, the new Ubuntu operating system, till now I didn't install any Tomcat. If you install it, if you deploy it, there you need to give the local host or maybe IP address, IPA. This IP address, somewhere IP. Where is the IP? Ethernet. Tell me where is Ethernet here? ETH you may see. Suppose in my system, if I install in front of you, what happened? Or else ifconfig may work. Ifconfig is working. Now somewhere you may see ETH. See, many things are there here. Where is the ETH? There is Ether, right? Ether. This one only? No. Ethernet. This one Ethernet, right? This is the IP address you need to call. This is the IP address slash dev apps. Then only our application will run. If you may ask me, okay, show me, sir, what shall I do? In front of you, what shall I do, ma? I need to install Tomcat, then I can deploy this one. Then I can deploy this one. See, my intention is where it is the context path. Within the pom.xml, on which tag, ma? On which tag? Final name. There only context path is there. Everybody got it? Again, my yesterday class, today class is same only, content is same only, but little modifications I did. Modification in the sense, today you have seen. That means even Maven also related things. Yesterday purely we have seen Helm only. There I mix up. Why I mix up? This is the requirement. This is the requirement. Today everybody must practice, then only next class we may understand. Tomorrow also class will be there. Tomorrow evening, maybe as usual, 6 to 7. Now, till now, anyone facing any difficulty or any complexity, try to ask. Based on that, we'll discuss 2 more minutes. Your duty is create one chart. Create one chart. You need to modify. Where you need to modify? Within the values.yml. After that, you need to enter into templates directory. There you need to modify within 2 areas. What are those 2 areas, Monica? One is deployment.yml. Another one is service.yml. Finally, what will you do? Helm. Actually, I didn't use that statement. I'm using in front of you once again. Please observe. First, I may destroy everything. I may install it. That is the standard procedure. I didn't use them. Till now, I hope you have seen the output, right? See, your output is running. See, after deleting, what is that? kubectl, delete all, hyphen all. Again, spelling mistake, DELETE. Now I am refreshing. Nothing. Now I want to install. Anyone can guide me? How to use helm install command? Helm install. After that, that words are very important. I said very good. Raise name. My hyphen rel hyphen one. After that, shall I press enter?
Dot.
Dot represents what, ma?
Current directory.
Current object or current directory. Good. Now again you need to check how to check kubectl get. Again SVC only. Yes. After that again kubectl get endpoints. See, maybe 1 year back I may deploy, but our application may not work. We don't know how to check. I am the faculty. Even I am teaching classes. But internal problems for rectification, I don't know the exact paths. Today I know everything. Why? Practice only. There is no other thing. Only practice. Is it okay for you? Again, I may refresh. See, automatically getting output right. See, what will you do? Maybe tomorrow I'll tell you. No problem. In front of you only, we may create our own image. We may create our own image map. That means what? We need to work with Maven. We need to work with Docker. We need to push into up.docker.com. Then we need to work with Helm. It may take lot of path, right? 4 tools at least we need to work with. But good practice, learn Helm properly. Remaining things automatically you may learn. Okay. Till now clear, everybody? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Good. Everybody implement it, ma. If any difficulties, post on our group. Even my intention, ma. Maybe next week onwards, I want to conduct virtual interviews, ma, based on the tool. Maybe suppose Monica, you are very interested in so and so tool. Just now, maybe you know, Maven finished, Docker finished. Even tell me, I mean Jenkins also finished, right? Got it or not? Suppose I am asking, maybe I may place a message on the maybe WhatsApp group. I am asking to maybe you are interested on which topic, which tool. You may tell one tool, assume. You may tell maybe I am interested on Jenkins. For you on Jenkins, maybe 20 minutes interview. 5 minutes You will give your self-introduction. Remaining, I may ask max 5 questions only. For each questions, max 5 minutes. Maybe some questions you may give 1 minute answer also. In interview, no need to give 5 minutes lengthy answer. Maybe meaningful answer. Like that, 20 minutes only. Maybe one to one. One to one. What is the advantage? Without fear, we can answer it. Like that, if you attend 10 to 15 interviews directly, we can enter into maybe interview session. We can manage the panel. We can manage the panel. Okay. If others are not having document properly, you consult me. I may tell. I won't involve, but I will give the proper channel. Maybe talk to them. If any difficulty, again ask me. They will give 100% perfect document. If anyone is not having. Okay. If you are having, no problem. Already some people may have. What about they are getting PF account is there, maybe some other area also. They are also eligible for attending interviews. Maybe that experience we may utilize here also. Maybe 5 years already existing 5 years they are working in some other sector, maybe medical department. That one also we are converting into here DevOps experience. Why? Maybe we are learning 3 to 4 months properly those experience. Okay, for 5 years, where we are telling like I'm a DevOps engineer, I know helm, I know maybe what about Argo CD. If you tell like that, they feel very happy. Okay, okay, good to go. I'm available for you only. You can use me. You try to gather more information, try to implement it. You may become good DevOps engineer in future. That is my intention. Thank you for 1.5 hours. I'm winding the session.
Thanks.
Good.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, welcome.